Y'all already know what time it is. It's time for another AliExpress reboot. Let's get it. Okay guys and gals, what's going on? You already know what time it is. Like I said in my intro, we're about to get back into this AliExpress reboot. And for you guys who don't know what AliExpress reboot is, if you're joining me on my first video, y'all gonna want to go ahead and check out the first video so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But I'll do a little explanation. So AliExpress reboot is pretty much like, you know, the old outfits that I had that I just did, you know, like I said, a little and and I tried these on, and I didn't really say much because I was nervous, I was scared, you know, first time on YouTube, like trying to get back into the swing of things. And I just said, well, I'm just gonna model it for you guys, and you know, you tell me your thoughts. But that doesn't work, so we're gonna start talking about these outfits right now. So as you guys can hear, I am a little hoarse, but that is because I was on vacation. So I was so happy about that vacation because I needed it, y'all. I needed it. So yes, I'm hoarse, screaming, yelling, and stuff like that. But let's get right into these outfits. Your girl is rocking this first AliExpress outfit. And guys and gals, if I can, I will leave a link down. These outfits are so old that they're not there anymore. Or maybe they're named differently. But you guys can always try to check it out or figure out if there's a pattern that maybe you can type in and look this stuff up. But let's get right into this outfit. I absolutely love this outfit. This outfit is a one-piece. It looks like a two-piece from the back. So I'll show you guys that. You see the little cutout? Got a little cutout right there. You can wear a bra with it, you know, if you got your hair covering, your straps like I do, because I do have my bra on with this. So, you know, you just cover it up with your hair, or you wear a little jean jacket or whatever. But yes, girl, I'm loving this. I don't know why I didn't show you guys this. Like, I showed you guys this, but you know what I mean. Talk about the outfit and stuff like that. Like, I'm loving it. It is that stretchy material, as you can see right here. Like, you see what I mean? It does turn white. But literally, I think this outfit was no more than like $9. And I absolutely love it. It comes all the way down. Don't pay attention to my slippers. But yes, I love it. Let me go ahead and do a little walk for you guys so you guys can see this in its entirety. Alright guys, let's get into outfit number 2. Okay guys and gals, so this next outfit is such a keeper. Like, I absolutely love this. It's a really silky, smooth, and soft. It literally only costs like $6. So I was like, yes, this is the one. It's like giving me African vibes. Like, look at this print. Like, I'm loving this print. Let me come closer. Do you guys see the detailing? Once again, it is that stretchy material, so when it stretches, it does turn white. But like I said in my previous video and in this one, if you ain't got too much going on in certain areas, it ain't gonna stretch, it ain't gonna turn white. You know, you just gonna look nice. So I do have this one in pink. I wore this one on my New Orleans trip, and I do have a video of that. Yes, look at this cute little mini dress. Like, you can't go wrong with this. This is like fire. This is like adorable. Now, let's get into this being adorable. Do you see what's going on right here? They definitely messed up the pattern on this. Let me see if I can stand up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I think that this should be connected to this, but it is what it is. You get what you pay for, right? It's literally like $5, $6, like I said. So this side is perfect, but the other side is not. But that's okay. We're gonna rock out with this dress. This is cute little beach wear. I mean, I don't know about going to the mall in this, but you could rock out with some cute little heels and stuff like that. But yes, girls, look at this. Look at the pattern. Cute. It looks like little cactuses or I think they're cactus. I don't know. I don't really know what they are, but the detailing goes all the way down your back, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little walk for you guys. Like, ladies, y'all need to not sleep on AliExpress. This is exactly why I'm doing this AliExpress reboot. So you guys and gals out there, you know, the men might want to get something for their woman, and they're like, yes, honey, I love that outfit. Let me get that for my wife, or let me get that for my girlfriend or whatever. So yeah, ladies, you want to get something like this? AliExpress is the place. But like I said, it might come a little stitched differently. But let's get this walk so you guys can see this outfit. Let's get into outfit number 3. Back with outfit number 3. So I've got some pros and cons about this outfit because I absolutely love the pattern. It's so floral and it's giving me Hawaii vibes, and I love, like, it has like hibiscus on it, all over it, and the color pattern is beautiful. The only cons that I have about this outfit is that, you know, if you got football shoulders like I do, like, you guys see this? Like, it bunches up. So, and you know, if you're top heavy as well, you see, like, you can kind of see through it a little bit. But I mean, other than that, the pattern is amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. It comes almost all the way down, which is another con that I don't like. I like my dress to at least touch my ankles, so I'll give you guys a look-see so you can see what I'm talking about. So, absolutely gorgeous, but it stops like mid-Johnson, but it's gonna rise. It should automatically come to like the feet or the ankles, just not doing that. So it does bunch up, but the colors and the pattern, it's so beautiful. So yes, I'm gonna do a little walk for you guys. I do not remember the price on this. Hopefully it is still out there on AliExpress. I want to say maybe like $10, and like I said, stretchy material, so it's gonna get a little see-through there. But yeah, you know, me and my football shoulders trying to hold it down here. And maybe you can like adjust this a little bit. If I'm going to stand like this all night, then maybe I'll be okay, you know, like, as long as I stand like this, I should be fine. But other than that, yeah, no, I really love it though. Let me go ahead and give you guys a walk so you guys can see this dress. Okay guys, so this last outfit that I got from AliExpress is so cute. Like, I absolutely love the stripes. I like it. Like, blue is my favorite color, so it has like a navy blue in it, and then with the brown it looks really good. It's like really sophisticated. It's a pencil dress. I absolutely love it, and it comes long enough. Like, let me show you guys. Look at this. Yes, work, sister, work. And it's super soft. It's cotton. It's not like that other material that I was showing you that stretches and stuff like that. Like, this one is actually like a cottony material, and that's exactly how it looked on the model. So I was excited when I seen that. I was like, okay, let's give this a shot and let's see, like, is this going to be that stretchy material that I don't like? I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't like it, but you know what? For the cheap, and you look cute, and if you take care of your clothes, your outfit's going to last you for a while, because all these outfits I've had for probably over 5 years. Take care of it, wash it like you're supposed to, don't throw it around. I think AliExpress is a really good place to shop if you don't really have it like that, or you're just starting out. Let's say you want to start a channel and you don't know what to do, and you want to do fashion and you want to get started. I think AliExpress is definitely the place to go to get started, especially here on YouTube, and you want to do it for the cheap. For the cheap. Alright, let me do a little walk for you guys, because I absolutely love it. Like when I go onto my AliExpress and check out these prices and stuff like that, the prices change, so they're not always the same. But trust and believe, I remember getting this for like $5 to $6. At most $7, but definitely $5 to $6. And I was expecting that stretchy material, but AliExpress came through for your girl. So I am super excited about that. Yes, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video. I do apologize once again for being so hoarse. But, you know, I had a blast. I'm going to try to get a video together for you guys so you guys can see my little vacation. I wasn't like showing out or anything. I really just want you guys to see Cancun in its entirety and its beauty. So with that being said, I want to say thank you. Peace. Love. Bye.